Okay guys, Mike here, MF Custom Garage. Listen, I'm just going to give you a quick insight as to how I'm going to do my funnel sound here and a couple of quick tips. I'm not saying you have to do it this way, or anything like that, but these are just a couple of sort of pro tips I learned over the years. We're using a bucket. It's just got warm water in it, but the one thing we do is, and you get these from any professional detailing shop or whatever, this is a floor to put in the bucket. And what it does is it separates all your sanding grit from your water, and I have found over the years that this works excellent. This is about a $5 or $6 piece. It fits any 5-gallon bucket, and we put it in here, and like I said, it works great. Next tip I can give you, take all your paper. Here we got 400 grit paper and 600 grit paper. It's all ripped in half, and I've got a select bunch of blocks here that I picked that I'm going to use, and these are blocks I've been using forever for this, and this is what I like to use. I know there's a million different ways, and there's linear blocks, and there's every other thing in the world, but like I said, this isn't a chip food show truck. This is a truck we're doing, and it will be very nice when it's done. It's just, like I said, within reason, and this is how I've been doing it. The other thing, guys, a couple little drips of Dawn dish soap in your water. All it does is lubricate the paper a little bit, but also cleans a little bit as we go, because after we're done this, we're going to wash this entire, we'll wash the entire truck after we're done this. So there's a couple of quick tricks that I've been doing for years and years and years, and hopefully they'll work for you. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks. Mike here, guys. MF Custom Garage. Thought I'd just give you a real quick update on this side. We've been working on it a few hours, and as you can see, it's coming right along. Of course, we'll have a bunch more to do, but you can start to see that what's happening here. So, yeah, we'll keep you informed as we move along on Barney. So, garage. So yeah, these are basically prepped, ready to go. We got a little bit of epoxy primer to do on the back corner, and then we'll get these painted up, and we'll show you as we go along. So anyway, like, share, subscribe, do the thing, and thanks for coming on the journey with these and some of the talks we had along the way, and we'll go from there. Thank you.